morning, everyone. So a question I get a lot is, what can I give my employees that isn't going to cost me extra money when it comes to CPP, EI, and all those other employee benefits and taxes? And the short answer is not much. You know, there's the awards that you can give them, but that's not something that you can give them every single pay period. It's something that you can give them to celebrate accomplishments, or there's, special events like birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, stuff like that. And, other ones are like cell phones. So you can provide your employee with a cell phone as long as that cell phone's used for business purposes and the employee's portion of the charges on that bill are don't get racked up, then none of that'll be an employee benefit. Gym memberships. So if your company has a gym membership and it's not just for one person, it's available to all of your staff, then that is something that you can provide to your staff, and it's not taxable to them. Living out allowance is another one that, if they're going to a special work site, they're going to be gone for more than 36 hours and they're not reasonably expected to return home, then you can pay them out a living allowance. And what rate that is going to be dependent upon you and what you consider to be reasonable, and ultimately what the CRA considers to be reasonable. If you're providing LOA for meals and you already cover the hotels, then I would suggest $69 for that portion, because that is the government prescribed rate. Okay, $23 a meal times 3 meals a day. So there's not a whole lot out there that isn't taxable to your staff that you can give them as remuneration for, their work, what they're providing to you, their labor. But there are a couple. Okay, I mean, and logistically that makes sense. The government's not going to provide you with very many avenues to pay your staff tax-free, because then everybody would just pay their staff that way. I know I would, right? If I could pay my staff in a way that they wouldn't be taxable, then I'm definitely going to do that. But that's just not the case in most scenarios. So I hope that helps. Find any loopholes, they're probably, I have to add this, if you find any loopholes, they're probably not correct. And just because somebody else is doing something doesn't make it correct, or in that case, legal either. Okay, so I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.